In this video, I will be reviewing a Ruggable, a washable rug. If you're watching this video, I'm sure you're intrigued by the Ruggable just like I was. So let me share my experience so you know, going into it, if it's worth that price tag. This is the particular rug that I got. I got the 3x5, which is $129 with free shipping. In your purchase, you get the rug of your choice and you get the underlayment mat, which is what that rug adheres to. As we move forward in this review, I'm going to show the unboxing, the laying out of the rug, how to bring it back up, how it looks in the washer. I know there's some questions about the size and will it actually fit in your washer, and then how it's held up over time. I do recommend heading over to their website, which is very well made and very informative, and watch some of their demonstrations and videos and really read about the rug to see if it's a good fit for you. As I mentioned earlier, you do get free shipping with your purchase. After checking out, I did receive an email stating that it would be a 3-week process to hand make the rug and then it would be shipped, which surprised me, but it actually arrived a week and a half later. And this is what it looks like upon arrival. The first step is to roll that rug inside out, and now we'll lay the rug pad. Then you line the rug up at one end of the pad and roll out. As you can see throughout some of these videos, I have animals. I have 3 dogs and 2 cats. So a rug that was washable just sounded fantastic to me. So I loved the concept. However, I wasn't impressed by the quality of the rug. Now, I think I was expecting a thicker rug and maybe something that was sewn a little bit better because they say that it's handmade. I have another example a little later on in the video, but let's talk corners. They have a weighted corner and a Velcro piece, which I think is great. It's done a good job. All corners have stayed down. And now I want to show you in real time what it looks like to take the rug up. Do keep in mind this is the 3x5 size rug. But look at it, it gets so small. It's going to fit right into the washer. So even if you get a larger sized rug, the biggest one they have, you're going to have no problem getting it into your washer. They've done a great job at creating a rug that can be washable. It's amazing. Before I put the rug back down, I'm going to vacuum the pad that's underneath. I've now washed it and dried it, and it's time to put it back down. So again, you roll it inside out and you're just gonna line it up with the under pad there. And as you're rolling it out, it's a good idea to just rub it down back and forth as you're rolling out, just to make sure it's a tight fit. I have now washed and dried mine multiple times and it's held up really, really well. It still looks brand new and feels brand new. I do have one complaint, and it's the right half of this edge on this rug is not cut or sewn straight. Here's a close-up of the rug pad, and here's a close-up of the bottom of the rug. And here are some of my extras. This is Arizona and Lady. The moment I got the rug down, they wanted to lay on it. So I am super happy that it's washable. Just like the founder of Ruggable, for as long as I have animals, I will only be putting Ruggable rugs in my home. I love the concept, but the quality could be in a better alignment with that price tag. So if I buy another one, or when I buy another one, I will be using a coupon code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button.